NOCO AIR includes several built-in adapters for a variety of applications. A Presta valve for use with bicycles, a plastic air nozzle for inflatable toys, and an inflating needle. To access, turn air upside down and remove the required adapter. Screw the adapter onto the end of the air hose by hand. When using the Presta valve adapter, it is helpful to screw directly to the tire stem, then attach the air hose. When complete, remove the air hose, then unscrew the adapter. NOCO also makes several optional 12-volt accessories. With the optional 12-volt to battery clamp adapter, NOCO AIR 10 and 15 can be clamped directly to a 12-volt battery. For a hard mount option, the 12-volt to eyelet adapter can also be used. If a longer reach is needed, the 12-volt extension cable will give an additional 12 feet of length.